Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Nail Clippers Kit is probably one of the most underrated grooming tools in your arsenal. We often overlook the importance of well-maintained nails, but trust me, a good nail clipper kit can make a world of difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nail clippers, exploring different types, features, and what makes a kit stand out from the rest. Get ready to say goodbye to ragged edges and hello to perfectly groomed nails. Number 5. Ultra Sharp Nail Clippers Set, 2-pack. These clippers are engineered with hand-sharpened stainless steel blades. They cut cleanly through thick nails without tearing or splitting. It's perfect for both tough toenails and delicate fingernails. The ergonomic handle and non-slip grip offer control and comfort. It's easy to maneuver and hold steady, even for seniors or those with arthritis. Each clipper features a built-in nail file for quick smoothing after trimming. The set comes with a durable zippered pouch for clean, on-the-go grooming. The set includes separate clippers for toenails and fingernails. This helps support hygienic grooming and avoids cross-use between fingers and toes. With its premium design, durable build, and long-lasting sharpness, this clipper set is a thoughtful gift. It's perfect for men, women, seniors, or even yourself. What we like. This nail clipper set boasts ultra-sharp blades for a clean cut every time. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, perfect for those with dexterity issues. Plus, the built-in nail file is a convenient touch for on-the-go grooming. If you're looking for precision and ease of use, this is the set for you. What people say. These are the best clippers. My other set is several years old and they're still functioning like new. No rust if exposed to moisture and easy to hold. The nail clippers, comes in a set, one small and one large pair of nail clippers, are smooth, matte-like in appearance, are very sturdy, and are of great quality, sound still, but they look and feel very expensive. My fingers don't slip around on the nail clippers when cutting my nails, the clippers don't flip-flop twist around when clipping nails, and the handle length is appropriate for what the nail clippers are intended to do. They have a solid weight to them, and a quality feel with the brushed stainless steel finish. It feels nice to hold in the hand, and unlike some other reviews complaining about the handles being too short to get enough leverage to cut their nails, I can say with confidence that I have not had that issue at all. After all, they are just nails, not plasterboard. They clippers are sharp and are able to cut my nails easily. Number 4. Aceoce Manicure Kit, Men's Personal Care Set. This professional manicure kit includes 7 essential tools for hand, facial, and foot care. It's a multifunctional set designed to cover all your grooming needs in one compact case. Looking for a great gift? This manicure set is perfect for men. It comes in a stylish black PU leather case with a striking red lining, making it a thoughtful and practical present for any man. The Aceoce Travel Nail Clipper Set is lightweight and easy to carry. The case is easily opened with a push of a button, and it fits perfectly in your bag or luggage, ideal for travel. Designed for travel and everyday use, this grooming set is your perfect companion. You can easily carry it wherever you go, ensuring you always have your essential grooming tools at hand. Made from premium stainless steel, this kit offers extreme hardness and sharpness. The nail clippers are specifically designed for men, making it easy to manage hard nails and toenails. What we like. This manicure set offers a complete solution with multiple tools for various grooming needs. The stylish and portable design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it promises durability and sharpness. If you are looking for a comprehensive grooming kit that is both functional and stylish, this is a great choice. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut cleanly. The nail file is a nice addition. The clippers are well made and durable. Number 3. Frida Baby NailFrida Baby Nail Clippers. This clipper has a patented safety spy hole. It allows you to see exactly what you're clipping, eliminating the risk of cutting a child's sensitive skin. This design ensures safety. The clippers feature overlapping blades. These blades allow for safe, smooth, and silent snipping. It cuts nails smoothly with minimal effort. The nail file is curved in an S shape. It's specially designed for small fingers. It follows the contour of the baby's nails for a smooth finish after clipping. You can safely use this nail clipper throughout your little one's journey. It's suitable from newborns to toddlers. It is a safe choice for all ages. The safety spy hole is a key feature. It allows you to see exactly what you're clipping. This eliminates the risk of cutting a child's sensitive nail beds. What we like. This baby nail clipper prioritizes safety with its unique spy hole design, allowing you to see exactly where you're clipping. The curved blades and gentle nail file ensure a smooth and safe experience for your little one. If you have a newborn or toddler, this is the perfect tool for stress-free nail care. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut cleanly. The nail file is a nice addition. The clippers are well made and durable. Number 2. Tseoa 12 PCS Manicure Pedicure Kit. This 12-piece kit includes everything you need for perfect nail care. It has toenail clippers, nail clippers, and more. It's a complete set for all your grooming needs. The tools are made of high-strength stainless steel and sharpened twice. They are hard, sharp, and durable, ensuring a smooth and easy cut every time. You will love how well they work. The case is only 3 by 6 inches, making it perfect for travel or home use. You can easily take it with you for a simple day out. It keeps everything organized in one place. This Manicure Pedicure kit comes with a stylish case, making it an ideal gift. It's suitable for both men and women. They will appreciate this thoughtful present. We care about your experience with our product. We offer a premium quality manicure pedicure kit. We guarantee your satisfaction with every purchase. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive 12-piece set, covering all your manicure and pedicure needs. The tools are made from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and performance. It comes with a stylish travel case, making it ideal for both home and travel use. If you like having all the essential tools in one place, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut cleanly. The nail file is a nice addition to the kit. The kit includes a cuticle pusher and a cuticle cutter. Number 1. YABIFE Dog Nail Trimmers and Clippers Kit. Are you tired of expensive grooming appointments? This kit includes both a professional dog nail clipper and grinder. You can now trim your pet's nails at home like a pro, saving you money and time. This nail grinder operates at less than 30 dB, ensuring a stress-free experience for your pet. You can even trim their nails while they are sleeping. No more pet freaking out. The trimmer features 3 adjustable speeds and grinding ports to accommodate different nail sizes. It allows you to groom your pet's nails professionally at home, using the appropriate port and speed. The built-in LED lights help you locate the quick, preventing accidental injuries. The power percentage display lets you know when it's time to recharge, avoiding interruptions during grooming. This grinder uses a Type-C USB charging port for fast and convenient charging. A single charge provides up to 12 hours of use, enough to trim the nails of at least 15 dogs. What we like. This dog nail kit includes a quiet electric grinder, ensuring a stress-free experience for your pet. It offers multiple speed settings and LED lighting for precision. With this, you can save money and groom your pet's nails at home like a pro. If you have a dog or cat, this is a must-have for easy and comfortable nail care. What people say. The whisper quiet motor keeps my dog calm, even the nervous ones, and the built-in light makes it easy to see the nails clearly, preventing over-trimming. With 3 adjustable speeds, it works perfectly for small, medium, and large dogs, and even my cats tolerate it well. The light coming off the trimmer is strong and the grinding wheel wasn't too loud. My dogs were barking at it at first, but within 2 to 3 minutes it was easy to use on their nails and they didn't seem to mind at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.